Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching How to Fix Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the password protected folder and file on your Windows 10. So you can use this option if you want to set your password on the file or particular folder. So you need to have two software for that, and you can choose one of them like WinRAR or 7-Zip. So first you need to make sure you have downloaded that software. Go to Google Chrome and type here WinRAR. WinRAR download and click on the first option, which is www.win-rar.com. Click on this option. Now you can see the option or download. You need to double click on its setup and install the software. Likewise, you can download the 7-zip, or if you have already downloaded this, you can use this software as well for the password protected file and folders. Click on download and run the setup. Okay, now I have already downloaded the WinRAR on my Windows. So I want to make this folder password protected on my Windows. Like you can see, everyone can open this. This is the WordPad file. So everyone can access this folder. So I don't want to access anyone to open this folder. So how I can enable the password protected on this? Right click on the folder or file, then click on the add to archive. Click on this option. Now you will see the set password option here. Click on this and set the password like 123. Re-enter it. Now click on OK. And again click on OK. Now this is the folder. It is the password protected folder. It is made by the WinRAR. So delete the previous one like this one. I have deleted that. And in the future, if you want to open this file or folder, you need to right click on this and click on extract here. Now you can see the enter of password. No one can access it without the password. I have entered 123. Now click on OK button, and now you can see the folder. Again, I can open it, and if you want to disable its service, so you can directly delete this option and remain this folder which you have extracted. So this is how this option is very useful for the security reason. So hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.